Hey guys, this is Alex Real Funny Redneck here on a Sunday morning. This is my second take on filming my scale video because the one that I filmed yesterday did not go in. It was a wrong type of file. It was not an MP4 video, it was a quick movie file. So I wasted so much time yesterday and that really got me very angry and upset. So here I am on Sunday, we're going to film it again. Of some new stuff that I got for my 8/0 scale layout. But this is going to be a priority video of something very special that I got for it. $89.99, DCC ready, direct command control, 8/0 scale and 14 plus. Athearn, the future of model railroading. Do you think this sounds familiar? I bet it does. This is my very first 8/0 scale locomotive. Sadly, it doesn't work anymore because the couplers are gone and stuff's falling off on it. This is my Athearn CSX GP50-2. This gave me the most popular video on my channel. As of right now, it's at 36,520 views. That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you for my support on that video. I hope this video can get just as many views because it's about the same subject. That's just a decoration for the layout. It's a signal bridge, but now it's a sign bridge. And this is my 8/0 scale layout as of right now. It's an oval, but I will be making some big changes to it. I will be making it bigger. I will be making the lap a lot bigger, like it's a Sebring road course or something. Because you know how my dad and my grandfather are into race cars and all that. So we're gonna make this layout in the shape of a Sebring racetrack, which would be pretty cool. And anyway, we're going to... Oh yeah, this is my new stuff that I got, but that's not important. This is a priority video. My stuff, my new 8/0 scale locomotive is here. This is my third locomotive, and it is an Athearn Tri-Rail GP50-2. Well, technically not a -2, but because I am a Jeep guy, I said -2 so many times, I just call everything a -2 nowadays. Yeah, it's an Athearn Tri-Rail EMD GP50, a rebuilt one because the cab, because I thought GP50s had really high hoods. At least the Norfolk Southern versions of these have really high hoods. I don't think they got these from Norfolk Southern though, because if they did, they would have had high hoods on them. Even though that's what the article is telling me, but I highly doubt that. I think these are ex-Conrails because of the light arrangement on them. I think these are ex-Conrails. But yeah, it's my Athearn Tri-Rail. And you know what we're gonna do? We're going to take it for a spin around the layout. It's going to be going this direction. Put it on here. Awesome. Let's do a test run. Let's go. It's now moving. It's about to pass through any time now. This is 80% power. So it's not going really fast as of right now, but that's because I just started up the transformer and let the motor warm up for a little bit, and then I'll eventually increase in speed. Get all this crap blown off the tracks, so it doesn't get caught up in the gears when the locomotives are driving by. I don't know, I'm just wondering how all this debris and crap ends up on my truck. Alright, now we're gonna let it speed up a little bit. Let's watch it go through the junction. Listen to the sound. That's very realistic sounding. Also, I don't want to run it at full speed because at this part of the track there's like a dip in it. Watch. You might not have saw it on camera, but when I hook up the train to it, you're gonna see it. Now, just for you foamers out there, we're going to do some long hood backwards. This is something that you will probably never see on a real tri-rail line. Tri-rail is that's why I don't run it backwards, because the track, it always screws up on the track. So let's run it forward again. Now let's flip the switch. Hook up our actually, well, we gotta pull this train forward. So, because it's not realistic enough. Because this engine is gonna get stuck in that switch because of the wheel arrangement. Well, let's back it up. Awesome. Uh-oh. That's my Atlas Seaboard boxcar. I'm gonna make a video on that soon too. Awesome. Take it back just a little bit. Alright. Pull forward, tri-rail. This doesn't have sounds, but that's alright. Because, you know, it's just such a ripoff. The sound versions of these, they're like frickin' $200 more. It is such a ripoff. Why would you waste $200 more on a small locomotive that does not have realistic sound quality? It sounds like it's got a little cell phone speaker as a sound system. See, do you really think you want that crap if you want to be realistic? Heck no. But also, I need to get my camera charger, my spoon. That was what I was doing my hot chocolate with. This is my camera charger. I charge my camera with it. I'm sure you got a glance of my O-scale locomotive too. That's a GP50, I think. Alright, let's pull forward, tri-rail. Also, the white stuff in that hopper is actually a bunch of cotton that I found laying around because we have a cotton farm somewhere in Temple Terrace, so. Now listen to this train cross it. Listen to it go through. This line actually started out as a Bachmann Chattanooga set, but I eventually built it up to make it a little bigger and added a spur track with some bumper posts. This spur track is actually going to be for a tractor dealer that's going to have these little John Deere tractors in the front of the building, and I'm going to put a sign on it called Floyd Tractor and Equipment. And it's going to be delivering 89-foot flat cars, which explains why the straight is so long, and 50-foot box cars. Maybe some other stuff too. After all, because you will be able to test drive the tractors, and we're going to have to keep them filled up, so I think we're going to have a tank car go there too, carrying diesel. Yeah, there's the plow for the engine and my truck over there. So yeah, this is actually what it started out as. Started as this, it had all this. I still got the box. I still plan on doing all this. I already got some parts for that. But yeah. Whoops. Ow! That thing hit the camera. Yeah, this is what it started out as. But now we're gonna get more realistic freight cars. Here's the tri-rail train. Let's slow it way down. A train will never stop that fast in real life. No way. Now let's get back at it. Actually no, pull forward more so we can back it up. Back it up into the spur. Pull it forward a little bit more. Uh-oh. I think a locomotive got stuck. Let's see what happened. Yup. Alright. He's good to go. Back up. This is exactly the kind of switch move we're going to be putting when the Floyd tractor opens up. It's going to be made from a John Deere value set that I'm going to get at Walmart eventually. Now let's pull forward tri-rail. Awesome. Hey, now let's do some more stuff, guys. Alright, guys, just for fun, and just for giggles and fun and entertainment for all my other Athearn fans on my channel, I'm going to be running my CSX engine on this layout also. Let's get rolling. Let's get rolling now. This is my CSX GP50-2. Also, I'm in the middle of looking for a Athearn CSX SD40-2 with the same YN4 boxcar logo color. I know people call it YN3B, but just for fun, I call it YN4 since it's the fourth paint scheme. It's nothing more than an updated YN3 with the changed logo. I hear they don't even paint the entire engines if they're already in YN3. They just add that logo to it. They just put stuff on there. Maybe they repaint where the boxcar logo is going to be, but this engine happens to be a lot louder than the tri-rail engine for some reason. Listen to that. Let's watch them go by. Let's watch them go by the station. Oh yeah, I got these little yellow signs placed all throughout the loop. Slow it down. We're gonna hook up a train to the CSX engine. Uh-oh. I noticed. Never mind. There we go. CSX. Should we do a backwards switch job before we pull forward? So you can get a good view of my Seaboard Airline boxcar in that mix. All you gotta do is go real slow so the wheels don't pop off the track because the rails aren't lined up. I'm gonna have to do an alignment with on there. CSX, are you ready to pull forward? I'm making that noise because it's got an RS3 horn on it and not a K5. I'm busy. I'm busy. No thanks. Let's go. That was cool. Do you want to go faster? That's the fastest we can take it. It's actually quite fast, actually. I don't know if I would take that on a real layout in South Florida, because I know they have a really big model railroad club there. Ooh, shoot. Look out. Forgot to put that switch on just the right time. Let's watch them go into the signal birds. I love the sound it makes too when it goes through the junction. Let's watch him go by the station, all the foamers waving at him. Sadly, this thing doesn't take pictures and video at the same time. In case you're wondering why those two cars are not on this train, they can never stay on the train. Yeah, at least this boxcar. This boxcar is going to fall off. No, I mean this boxcar is just going to unhook itself, but it's my reading boxcar. I got it the day after I got the Chattanooga. I'm looking for a bunch of other Bachmann train sets, so I can get more transformers and more engines and more cars and all that. Watch, the car's gonna go off the train. Boom. That's why I can't run these cars on this train. They're gonna fly off. Now, so let's bring it into the spur. Bring it into the spur so it can get worked on. There we go. Unhook that. Put this in. Now let's pull forward. What the heck? Now it wants to be connected, seriously? Pull forward CSX. I can't run, I don't know if I'm not gonna run DPU with these engines. And I'm not gonna put two engines on both sides of the train because obviously it's going to fly off. Well, I had done it at least going clockwise, but I'm not sure about counterclockwise. I'll do that in another video. Alright guys, let's back up and let's make the engines go back to back. Since that's a great idea. That's a great idea, guys. Put the engines back to back. The couplers are now connected. Alright, let's see CSX and Tri-Rail. Pull forward. Let's have CSX lead. CSX is my favorite railroad, so we're going to have them lead. It actually does a pretty good job at operating together. Now let's have the Tri-Rail lead. Don't worry guys, they're gonna pass by right here. That's pretty interesting though. take this off. Put this hopper car back on the train. Hook up a train to it now. Can't hook up on the curves here, so I have to pull the train out of the siding manually and hook it up to here. There we go. I have like 3 different brands of train here. I have Athearn, Bachmann, and Atlas. I'm not gonna get Walthers. Walthers and Intermountain are 2 brands that I'm never gonna get. First of all, they're overpriced as heck. I'm not gonna waste $700 on a frickin' intermodal car. Are you frickin' serious right now? The Intermountain loves to rip you off. Now let's go forward, CSX and Tri-Rail. I don't have all day. I want to get this video up on YouTube and see how popular we're gonna get it. This would be cool. Let's watch it go by here. Seaboard. Let it go through one more lap. One more lap, train's gonna go into the spur. Ooh. It's back up now. Uh-oh, you're trespassing on railroad property. That's what the foamers are saying. But this is my own railroad, so I'm not trespassing, because it's my railroad. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like. As a matter of fact, please leave a like. We're gonna see just how popular this video can get, since my Athearn CSX engine video has 36,520 views right now. We're gonna see how many views we can get this Athearn Tri-Rail EMD GP50 video up. I think it's probably gonna. I don't think it's gonna be as popular, but that's going to be your guys' decision. That's going to be your decision. You're going to decide to make this video just as popular as the CSX video since you watched it. Well, go ahead, watch it. Watch this video as many times as you want. You have the right. Let's see how popular we can get this Athearn Tri-Rail video. The most popular one I've seen has like 1,200 views. Let's see if we can break this limit. And we can get the most popular Athearn Tri-Rail video like we did with the most popular Athearn CSX video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video, and I will give you a train ride. Yeah, that's right, if you like this video, I will give you a train ride around your house on this layout. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Peace.